This is the Bode Plot Interactive Calculator, which analyzes frequency response characteristics of control systems. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have a drop-down for select calculation mode with 6 options. First-order system, single pole, 0. Second-order system, complex poles, response at specific frequency, bandwidth and cutoff calculation, gain phase margin analysis, and resonance peak analysis. For this demo, I'm using first-order system. The type drop-down offers pole low pass or 0 high pass. I've selected pole. Now for the input fields. DC gain K, corner frequency in Hertz, natural frequency on in radius, damping ratio Z, test frequency in Hertz, cutoff level in dB, and crossover frequency in Hertz. Here's our example. With DC gain K equals 10, corner frequency equals 100 Hz, natural frequency ON equals 628 rad/s, damping ratio Z equals 0.5, test frequency equals 150 Hz, cutoff level equals 10 dB, and crossover frequency equals 120 Hz. We click Calculate Bode Response. The results show magnitude at FC is 16.99 dB, phase at FC is negative 45.0 degrees, negative 3 dB, frequency is 100.0 Hz. Magnitude at 0.1 FC is 20.00 dB, magnitude at 10 FC is 0.00 dB, and asymptotic slope is negative 20 dB per decade. These values confirm our first-order pole response behavior. Find the link in the description below.